How to add link to TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok application. As you're logged into your account, you can simply make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So now simply select on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you tap on the profile section, it will take you to your profile page over here. So now what you need to do in order to add the links is simply tap on the edit option over here. So tap on edit, and as you tap on edit, you'll be landed on a new page where you can edit different information about your profile. So let's just wait, and here you can see the option of links. So tap on links, and here you can see you have two options to add the link: Instagram and YouTube. So if you want to add the link for Instagram, you can simply tap on Instagram over here, and as you tap on it, it will take us to a new page where you have to enter the login credentials of your Instagram, the account that you'd want to add with TikTok bio. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.